Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So welcome back to another entertainment video about Saitama, and oh my god, it's going wrong today. That's already bad news for all of you my friends. Anyways, in this video I'm going to predicate the Saitama 2021 price. So let's get started. But before starting this video, please guys, I request everybody to click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, you can see here that the currently live price of the Saitama in the market is still low. So let's say another chance for everybody to invest in the Saitama and make yourself rich. That's opportunity, guys. Anyways, on the other side, if you look the changes occur in the Saitama, so 5.51% negative changes occur in the Saitama, that means that the price is going to decrease. But my friends, don't lose hope, never lose hope. And remember my friends, every cryptocurrency's price falls down for some time. And after some period of time, the price again pump like that. And now the current situation of the Saitama is wrong. But I hope my friends that tomorrow or next day, the price will again become positive. You can see here my friends, just look here, this price chart, that is the another update about the Saitama. You can see this time the price pump, again you can see a dump, again pump, and now you can see a very huge jump so in the Saitama. But now from the last week, the Saitama is now trending coin in the market, and everybody want to invest in the Saitama just from last 1 week my friends. And I hope my friends it is the beginning of a new month, August month, as you know. So possibilities my friends that in this August the price will explode and they will make you millionaire. So especially my friends for short-term investor, I really recommend for everybody that please just hold to the last of this month my friends. And my friends, the prediction about Saitama is going positive, and I believe that at the last of 2021 the price of the Saitama will be 0.01 cent. That will be the price of the Saitama in 0.01 cent. What you think about that? If you agree with me, like this video and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.